What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. I'm at the Santa Clarita clearance store. Haven't been here forever. Let's go see what they got, man. I'm tired of not coming here. Those of you guys that are new to my channel, definitely appreciate you guys stopping by. I do visit a ton of sneaker shops, including a bunch of Nike outlets. But yeah, help your boy out. Make sure you help your boy out. Press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. We're gonna check out Nike clearance store in Santa Clarita. They do have a heat wall. They got Unions. They got a Jordan 11, the 70-10s. Oh man, let's see what they got. They got a pair of social status pennies right there. They got 3 pair of Unions and social status pennies and 11 low IEs. So I think the 11 low IEs not my size. All right, so it is my size. Oh dang! So they do have those. Oh, those are $60. Holy crap!
Did you have a Nike account?
Yeah, so that's everything they have right there. I'm taking these Cortez $60, 60 freaking dollars. Oh my god. So 70, and then look, this is my size. This is my size, so I have to get it. $100. Oh yeah. Let's go for it. Let's grab those. Damn, it's gonna be $99.99. That was a hard decision because I really want those Cortez too. For $60. Oh my god. Got these for $100 freaking dollars. Oh my god. All right, let's look around now. Whatever. Forget. All right, so this is my new find of the year? Dude, really? Really good condition. Holy crap, dude. This is what I'm talking about. This is the pre-pandemic stuff I'm talking about. Jordans for $100. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh man, look at that box. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get a replacement box, not from here, but maybe one of the other outlets. All right, so the primary reason I did come here, I need to get stuff for a birthday present for a kid. So let's go check out the preschool, then we'll check out the rest. All right, so I'm supposed to look for 1/2, 2. I don't really see anything in the 1/2 or 2. And look at all these empty spots. Do you see these Kyries for $40? These are dope for $40. And then these real laces, or are these elastic? I think they're elastic, no real laces. Those are pretty dope. Fly traps going for $30. This is the only thing 3 and under, like three preschool and under. I think I might have to grab these. Like this is it for like the younger stuff. More of the younger stuff, like what the Flex Advance. I don't know what the hell that is. Crater Impacts, waffle trainers. These are $30. I thought these were like some old Kobe's or something. No, some Benzie boots. I don't even know what the hell that is. I'm looking at boys apparel size small. Got this little tank top going for $10. Only $30 for a kid's tank top. Nike t-shirt. This is what, $7? $7. I haven't seen too much in especially the smaller kid sizes. Jordan hoodie, but it's a short sleeve hoodie. I don't know, $20 for that. Don't really see any matching shorts, especially with this. $7 for these. I don't know if he's a small or medium. Damn, dude. These are pretty dope. These are a medium right here for $15. Let me get some sizing info. All right, so I think he's a medium. I grabbed these for $15. I know the shorts are normally more than $15, so grab these. Kind of matches with that, right? Gray, kind of black, gray. I don't know, kind of. And then I'm looking for some shirts. They didn't have anything in the kids medium. Maybe I even checked the men's extra small, and they didn't have any extra small. So we'll see. All right, now I'm looking. Look, now they got dunks. So they're bringing out different things. Wow, not bad. Because all those dunks are like way under $100. They're usually like $7.99 or something. But I got my J's, so it's all good. Campers doing their thing. And then they're gonna tell me I can't film here. Forget them, dude. I'm filming whatever. So all right, let's look around. I think I'm in the wrong size right now. All right, got 2 rows of size 10. The left row right here. Also that row. So let's look around. Air Max 90 going for $70. Holy cow. Infinity Run Reacts going for $80. That's the size 9.5. Air Force One boots going for $80. Remember, we've seen these for $2 at some of the other outlets. Space Hippies going for 60 bucks. That's a Space Hippie 4. 270 React going for $70. Size 10's the only crowded section. What the hell today? The only thing that we've seen here that is cheaper at the regular outlets, because we've seen these for what, 15 bucks. They're going for 60 here in the Zoom Pulse. This is a 9.5 though. Size 11 in the size 10 section. Center courts right here going for 60 bucks. Okay. 10.5 section. Do you got Michigan's right here? Pegasus 38 Michigan's going for 60 bucks. Super Upsurge, 60 bucks. 10.5. Glide Fly is going for 60. Looking for something like this for one of my family members, but size 12, they didn't have any. Dang it. Do got the Tempo Next Percent Fly is going for 100 bucks. $70 for the Air Force Ones right here. I know this is a Quick Strike 2. Another one of these. This is a 10.5 though, going for 60 bucks. More 270 Reacts. This Sunset colorway going for 80 bucks. That's actually a dope colorway. Tempo Next Percent, another one of these, but this is the Fly Ease version. Going for 100 bucks. Some Vans, not really, $40 for those. Size 11s, couple of boots going for 80. That's the Air Force One boots. What are these? Some Metcons, some Nike by You Metcons go for 70. Remember the Nike by U's, you can get really, really good deals here for those. Shout out to the homie Egan. I forgot to ask if he wanted to be on camera, but it is what it is. We talked for quite some time. But yeah, Air Max 270s going for 80. This is a dope colorway, I'm not gonna lie. I usually don't like orange like that, but that's dope. Air Tune Max go for 100 bucks. I mentioned we're in the size 11, right? Oh shoot, I thought these were Vapor Max. No, not Vapor Max. 80 bucks for these. Waffle Trainer 2s go for 50 bucks. Okay. I mentioned I'm in the size 11, right? All right, size 11. Pegasus, we've seen these for 59. Yep, 59.99. That matches what we've seen with the regular outlet. You do get full box of the regular outlet. So size 12, seen a bunch of these for 100. All right, I gotta show y'all. 40 for those. In the 12s, they go for a little bit less. 30 for those. Genomes go for $80. Bigger the sizes get, less variety it looks like. Dang, dude. Terra Kyger 7s go for 70. Dude, got these bad boys. Monarchs go for 40. All black. Moving up to the size 14s. Vaporfly Next Percents go for 100 bucks. Always have plenty of basketball sneakers. Wait, size 13? Oh, we skipped 13s. Superfly 8 Elites. Like, aren't these the premier soccer cleats that go for like $275 down to $70? Got a couple of them right here. Size 13 people don't play soccer, I guess. Got LeBron's go for 100 bucks. 100 bucks. Nike React Live. Haven't seen one of these in forever. That's like the encased React material right there. 50 bucks for those. Then 14 and a half. Remember, do see a lot of 14 and a halves here. Don't really see those anywhere else. 60 for those, 70 for those. More size 14. Pegasus 7s going for 60. Then ton of Kyries and stuff like that. These are the Kyrie 6s going for 60 bucks. 15, so a lot of the same, plenty of basketball sneakers. 50 for the PGs right here. What was this, 50? 60 for the Kyries. Bunch of different colorways of those. You can see them collecting dust. Zoom BBN XTs go for 80. Seeing a lot of these Tempo Next Percent fly knits going for 100. Bunch of different sizes, and then plenty of Kyries, plenty of Nike basketball. Checking out the size 9. If they had a size 10 of these, I probably would cop, or probably 10 and a half, maybe 11s for the Infinities. Probably would grab these. $60, size 9. Court Royale 2s go for $30. That always makes me think of, that always freaking makes this shoe, whenever I say Royale, that always makes me think of Pulp Fiction. Those of y'all old movie buffs. Old movie buffs, meaning those of you guys that like old movies, and those of you old people that like movies. But yeah, $80 for the Infinity Run Reacts. Size 10 right here. Go for $60. Wrong section, but that's a hell of a deal for the Hirachis. Fly Posit 2, there's a kid just staring at me because I'm sitting there talking to the camera. Fly Posit 2s go for 100 bucks. This is size 8. Speaking of size 8, we transition to size 8s. Kyrie 8 Infinities go for 60. It's a cool colorway, like Kentucky colorway. I was like, are these some Jordan 9s? No, they're not. I thought they were Jordan 9 lows. The Air Madas go for 60 bucks. Ultra Fly Vapor Elite. I think these are baseball cleats, go for 30. Infinity Invincible Run Finance going for $80. Actually a really good deal. Probably the cheapest we've seen those. And then Air More Tempos to be able to get these for $80. Man, if you can find these for $80, that's what's up. Slides going for $15. Or they're flip-flops, right? These are flip-flops, right? Thongs. And then they also got these right here. I don't know what the offline pack. So one with the huge freaking insole, $60. Normally like $130, dude. Got quite a few sizes. By quite a few sizes, I mean smaller sizes, only up to size 9. All right, I have mentioned this before. This is like one of the best places to get backpacks. I don't know what's up with these mini backpacks though. Size $20 for these, small size right here. Got Zion backpacks. These are like usually like $20, 25. This one's pretty sturdy. This seems a little more sturdy than the Zion's. 25 for those. They got like what, tote bags for $20. See, these are normally 65 down to 30. Really good place for backpacks. Like I bought a ton of backpacks here. Camo ones going for 20, normally 55. More backpacks on the backside right here. No Jordan Retro ones. They have Jordan Retro ones every once in a while, but none here today. So check in one more time. Way less stuff now on the heat aisle. Heat rack, yeah, a lot less stuff now. So they do have the social status, but they only had smaller sizes, 8s and 9s, and then the Union Dunks, and then they had a couple more Dunks up top, and they're gone. Have not seen these Nike sportswear hoodies. They're super thin, but yeah, they're down to $25. Normally what, 50? Normally 60. Down to $25. Got them in this color as well, and then tons of t-shirts, $10 t-shirts. Multiple racks, $15 t-shirts as well with kids hiding underneath. Got the theme song from Ballers on. They had a bunch of Kanye songs here too. Music's actually been really good. Hopefully don't have to fight the copyright strikes on them. Not really seeing too much crazy stuff though. These shorts actually dope. $20 for these shorts. Even comes with zippers for the pockets. But a lot of the Nike shorts are way too thin. I'm just not a fan of that unless you go to the club. Only one type of club for that. And baseball pants? Or these football pants? Football pants, because you got room for the freaking pads, the thigh pads. What these go for? Normally 85 down to 30. Okay. Some of these t-shirts, $10. That's actually a pretty simple t-shirt, but not bad. You can't stop me. I don't really have too many words on my shirts like that normally. But yeah, I think these are the $15 ones, right? Oh, $10 for these too. They're on the $15 rack, but they got $10 shirts here too. Got Kuzma shirts going for $15. Double XL. All right, I just realized I got to pay for my Kyrie stuff. So yeah, huge line. Let's get back in line. All right, so I did pay for the Kyries and stuff. But the homie Egan, he's still inside. He said he's not getting anything for the heat. While they still have a Union, the Union course says size 10.5. So I think he's gonna get those for me. So definitely appreciate you. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so Egan and Kelly did help me out. They do watch the show. Thank you so much. You guys like saved my life. These came out to $60 freaking. And this is like what keeps us coming to this spot, right? Like, kind of crazy. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and thank you so much for helping me out on this. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thanks, you guys. So I Zelled him the money, $66. Let's go to the car. Let's look at my finds, dude. Holy crap. All right, did get the present for the family friend, but this is what the clearance store is about. I got lucky. Like this doesn't happen, but I think this is the craziest trip of this year, right? This literally is it. Look at this. Paid $60 for these. These retail for what, $130. Union was charging $30 for shipping too. So I got these for hella cheap, because if you got it from Union, it ended up costing way more. And then these bad boys, man, these bad boys grabbed them for $100. Y'all saw me a bunch of times saying, hey, should I get these? Should I not? Should I get these? $100 freaking, you guys. Oh my God, I'm yelling and giddy like a little 10-year-old schoolgirl. But this is what keeps me coming to the clearance store. This is just insane, dude. I saved 50% on this, saved 50% on this. Man, this would have cost me what, $330, $340. It cost me $1 Well, 160 plus tax. Holy crap.